I'm a U.S. citizen. If I get a spouse visa for myself, does that conflict with getting my wife a spouse visa to come to the U.S. if I get a spouse visa myself? Okay, so I think what you're saying is you originally came to the United States on a spouse visa, and I apologize if I'm not getting this right. Add another comment, we'll try to readdress it. But it sounds like what you're saying is you came on a spousal visa, and now apparently that relationship has ended, and now you have remarried, and you want to an alien, and you want to bring that person on a spousal visa. So the short answer is no. If you are a U.S. citizen, you enjoy all the rights and benefits of being a U.S. citizen. You absolutely can petition anybody you want on a spousal visa. Now, having said that, of course, you know, they look at the whole case. I mean, if you came here on a spousal visa and there are some indicators that might have been a fraudulent attempt just to get citizenship so you could then bring somebody else here or whatever. I mean, those things happen. We've seen cases where people will be in a foreign country, divorce their spouse, marry somebody to get a citizenship, and then as soon as they got that green card, they divorce that person and then remarry and reapply for the original spouse, right? I mean, that's actually happened. Not with us. We follow these news stories, and so, yeah, I mean, as long as everything's on the up and up, you did have a legitimate relationship in marriage with the person who petitioned you initially, but for whatever reason, death, divorce, whatever, you're no longer together, but it was legit at the time and all of that. Yeah, absolutely, no problem. You know, they look at all the information they have, of course, and they're always looking for people's, attempts to defraud the system, of course. And so, you know, if there's anything like that going on, I don't recommend you do any of this. But yeah, if it's just an honest relationship that didn't work out and now you've remarried, yeah, absolutely, you have every right to apply again. And we've seen that many times. So it would not be, and which means they've seen it many, many more times. So it's not going to be any big red flag. So yeah, absolutely, go ahead and do it.
If you found this video useful, it would mean a lot to us if you could hit the like button and comment below to let us know what you think. You can also ask your own immigration questions in the comments below. If you want to make sure not to miss any of our future videos, we invite you to subscribe here on YouTube and be sure to click the notification icon so you can be alerted whenever we publish a new video. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook where you can watch our regular immigration Q&A live streams.